Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to take a look at this Matchbox European Highway, the Matchbox 5-pack. So let's take a look at this. I've had this 5-pack for a while. I really do like this 5-pack, so let's take a look at it and see what cars we have inside of it first. First, we have a 2008 Audi R8, I think. No, 2007 actually. Pretty cool, tiny Mini Cooper. And we got, I don't know, this is a DS automobile. Okay, it's pretty cool. Got a nice little Range Rover, and a Seneca kind of police truck. But anyways, let's go take a look at this pack. So just crack it open. Let's also take a look at the design on the side. These are my favorite part of these 5-packs. So let's just like kind of get our finger kind of lodged in there. Perfect. Then let's pull it out. I remember before I used to just rip open a 5-pack. Okay, let's take a look at that. It's like fresh baked pie in a window. So let's just take a look at the cars in here. So the first one I'm going to take a look, we're going to go from bottom to start. The first one got this very nice Seneca police truck. I'm not really too, kind of sure about like police trucks or fire trucks and stuff, but this is still a pretty cool Matchbox car. I really like the design. Nice chrome wheels, has this pretty cool stuff on the sides, like ladders and stuff. I don't know too much about this. I don't know what to say about this car. A lot of tampons on the side. Has no front headlights, but it does not even have any back headlights. But still a pretty cool fire truck. I don't know. My words got kind of mixed. I don't know. It's been a while since I made a long video. You got this pretty cool little orange Range Rover. Let's take a look. I really like the orange color. It just kind of reminds me of like a tiny little Tic Tac. I love kind of the glass like top and just like the whole top part of the car is just glass. Also some very nice back headlight tampos. It's got kind of like a gray chrome on the side. Also got some pretty nice tampos on the front with the grille and the Land Rover logo. Other than that, still a pretty cool car. Just put it on the side. You guys should take a look at these two for a little longer. A little bit of dust. These are some pretty cool cars there. If my words kind of sound a bit kind of mixed, it's just because I haven't made like a long form video in a while. Kind of like this, so I'm still getting used to it, Alright, let's take a look at my favorite right here. Not really my favorite, but my second favorite. Look at that DS automobile. This looks very interesting. I've never seen a car ever like this. It's pretty cool. Kind of reminds me of that one car from Mr. Bean with like one car on the front. It's a very round shape, kind of like cartoonish, but it is very detailed. I love this kind of glass, like ocean blue, kind of like very light blue kind of color. It's just very classy. The whole inside is chrome. It's got some pretty nice tampos on the front. Nice chrome wheels. And I like how the wheels kind of fade into the body of the car and kind of just sink under right there. And there's no back headlight tampos. Well, it has the marks and stuff, but no tampos. I really do like the front bumper. It's very nice chromed out. I also got some back headlight tampos right here in the bottom here. I didn't even realize. Even says something at the bottom. I can't really see what it says on the bottom. Maybe you can have some tiny little headlights. It's still a pretty cool chrome bumper too. Alright, anyways, take a look at the next one. I'm actually gonna read the name for this one. I'm not too sure. We got a 2011 Mini Countryman. I'm not too sure. I'm not too good at British cars really, but yeah, it's pretty cute car. It looks kind of like a lemon, but it's a little bit more green. It also has a fully glass top. Has these pretty cool two white stripes going down the car. Also has a bunch of headlight. It also has a bunch of headlight tampos on the back. Countryman, Mini logo, and all the back headlight tampos. The front also looks really good with the grille and headlights. And you can also see the tiny Mini logo. There is no chrome on the wheels, but still pretty nice without the paint. Take a look at that. I don't really have too many Mini Coopers in my collection. Actually, let's just spin these two around for a bit. Just give it a little spin. I just realized it says Cooper S on the back for sport. So let's spin. Alright, now let's take these down. Funny thing is, my neighbor actually owns a Countryman too, I think. Alright, let's take a look at the last car, my favorite one. The 2007 Audi R8. Just look at that. They recently discontinued the R8, but this is still a really beautiful casting. I love the front headlight tampos. The Audi logo right there, this nice kind of pearl white. Take a look at the back. It's very nice. It has a license plate and some pretty nice back headlight tampos. I love the chrome wheels and a little black paint on the sides. So other than that, it's pretty like simple, detailed car. It just has tampos on the front and back. Pretty nice. Also has that dirty chrome color too. So I'm gonna leave it on there for a bit. So anyways, guys, this is the end of the video. Just want to show you that. And also, before we end the video, I'm gonna show you some of my favorites. So my first favorite is obviously gonna be the R8. The second is gonna be this DS automobile. For my third favorite, I'm probably gonna have to choose the Cooper. Just looks pretty cool. Then probably my next favorite, I like the Range Rover a lot. I don't really like the fire truck too much. Other than that, yeah. Hope you guys have a good day, you know, enjoy the vid. It's been a long time since I made like a long video like this. Anyways, nice to be back. See you guys.